So today, while we are passing through Bangkok, we finally got the chance to come and visit Phedmark, which is Mark Wiens' famous YouTuber's restaurant. Let's go and check it out, see what it's all about. The chilies, chili vinegar. Even got my tribute Mark Wiens t-shirt on. We've been following Mark for about 9 years on YouTube.
The amount of hours of his videos we have watched is probably ridiculous at this point. Anywhere we go, we always watch a video of his to see what to eat and what's there. From the very beginning when he was absolutely terrible. I do apologise, it's the side of a busy road. If the audio's not so good. I'm really looking forward to trying this. It does get quite busy in the daytime, but I think we've dropped lucky today.
Ped actually means spicy, Mark, which is his name, and Mark actually in Thai means very much, so spicy, very much spicy. A little play on words. The easiest way to get to Phedmark is jump on the BTS. Get off at Ekamai station, take exit number 3, down the steps. Once you get to the bottom of the steps, make a U-turn. Just keep walking until you come to the 7-Eleven here on the other side of the road. Carry on walking across the road. It's on the same side as the 7-Eleven, about 100 metres down. And it's right next to the Eastern bus terminal. It's a very busy junction, so make sure you're very careful when you're crossing the road. Finally, food's arrived. Place your order downstairs. Either way outside or from upstairs. Got Kaprao, one spicy, one less spicy. Crispy fried duck eggs on top. Extra chilies if you need them. Let's try it.
That is actually really nice. It is not my favourite dish at all, but that tastes really different. That's really good.
The chilies, chili vinegar. The vinegar actually makes it nice. The best part of this dish for me is the crispy fried egg and the Thai basil. Big chunks of garlic as well. So actually the portion size was bigger than expected, quite reasonable.
So it cost us 139 baht per dish, and the portion size was plenty actually. It was a decent sized portion. I think maybe street food wise you'd pay anywhere between 50 and 100 baht. So for somewhere a little bit special, it's not that out of the question.
Extra duck egg is 25 baht.
And drinks, so water, Coke, are around 20-25 baht too. Everything's
kind of logoed up, branded, with a little Mark Wiens stickers, plates, they sell t-shirts. All available memorabilia.
Yeah, it is really nice actually because everything's branded, the plates, like it all ties together, and you can buy the stuff as well, so win-win.
So that's it, Phedmark, highly recommended if you are in Bangkok and you like Thai food. and you're a fan of Mark Wiens.
Yeah, really enjoyed that. It was just a fun experience to come and do, and really easy off the metro and the BTS too.
Even got my tribute Mark Wiens t-shirt on. So ticked off the list finally. Happy to be here. Thanks for watching. Make sure you visit if you are in Bangkok, and we will see you in the next one.
Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see some more videos, and click the little bell icon to get notified for every video we do. Bye for now.